Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Ford Charge Station Pro with Wi-Fi setup. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing the Ford Charge Station Pro. Ensure you have all the components laid out, including the charger, mounting hardware, and user manual. Choose an appropriate location for installation, ideally near your Ford vehicle's parking spot. Confirm that the location is close to a power source and away from heavy traffic areas. Use a level to make sure the mounting area is even. Mark the holes for the mounting brackets on the wall or post. Drill pilot holes where you've marked the spots. Attach the mounting brackets securely using the provided screws. Next, carefully attach the Ford Charge Station Pro to the mounted brackets. Make sure it is firmly in place and level. Now, connect the charging station to a power source using the appropriate electrical wiring. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, consider hiring a licensed electrician for this step. Once powered on, the LED indicator on the charging unit should light up. Open the Ford Pass app on your smartphone. In the app, navigate to the charging station settings. Select the option to set up Wi-Fi on your Ford Charge Station Pro. Enter your Wi-Fi network name and password when prompted. Wait for the charger to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the app will confirm the setup is complete. You can now monitor charging sessions and control settings directly from the app. Test the charging station by plugging in your Ford vehicle. Check to see that the charging indicator lights up to confirm charging has started. Congratulations, your Ford Charge Station Pro is now installed and connected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.